should have clipped on the next one. So let's go to it. Let's see here, right there. And this should be pre-installation video 2. It should talk about attaching your hoses and cables. Now, within the box is a white box called a chiller, right? So at this point, we should have all the packing off of the laser. It should be rolled into place or semi into place. Leave enough room where you get around behind it because you need to do inspections back there. And then you should put the chiller beside it. This is the chiller right here where it says 3,000. You probably have a 5,000. 5,000 is the one I sell the most of. 3,000 I only sell to the very small machines. You should also have one of these two air pumps here. So if I go back forth, now what you're going to see is the back of the laser, and you're going to see air hookups. And they may not be in this configuration. All you're looking for is water in, water out. The out of the chiller goes the in of the laser. The in of the chiller goes to the out of the laser. This way you create a loop or a series circuit. You also have a signal cable that goes from the chiller to the back of the laser. Like I say, it may not be in this configuration. This is just one of many, many configurations. The biggest thing is when you're trying to get those air hoses on, they go on to that the barbed hookup. You have to use an air dryer or a heater to heat the unit up. Normally I find if you just moisten up the end of it, you can get it on there. Once it's on there, if you want to be totally safe, you can put tie straps around it, but normally I don't need them. Now, once you get the back that hooked to the chiller, set it aside. It goes right beside the laser on the right-hand side of the laser. So next, once you do that, you're going to start in first. I should have said before that, you're going to inspect the tube. So you open up the back cover, top back cover of the unit, and look at the tube. The new tubes, the connector is directly to the tube. There is a screw on there with a red cap. All you're going to do is look and inspect the tube. You're not going to take anything apart, else you have to. And if you do, you're going to have me on the phone or customer service on the phone. You're going to tap on it, see if you can hear that it's cracked. 1 or less than 1% of the tubes ever get there cracked. So you got a 99.999% chance it's not going to be. I just need you to inspect it. So once you're done with that, then we're going to do the hose thing like we just talked about. Out of the chiller to the in of the laser, in of the chiller to the out of the laser. Then you're going to fill the chiller up with distilled water and make sure that the AC is plugged in to the unit. So put your cable into the back of the unit. The other thing I do at this point is I inspect the utility box, make sure that items are in the utility box. You'll get a checklist here in the next coming section. Then I go ahead and inspect the back of the air exhaust and I turn it on. The reason why I turn it on is I want to make sure it comes on, and I want to check which is the suck in and which is the blow end. The suck in, the hose from that goes to the back of the laser. The blow in hose goes out to the outside air. Must go to the outside air. Can't put it into a room or anything like that. All right, thanks.